Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about BM Butter Sprayer reviews of United States. Is this product is a legit or a scam? Friends, this is not our product. If you have never ordered this product, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. Now let's see about the product. So here is the images. Things are about to get better. Then here some features are given of this product. It uses no chemical or artificial propellants, just heat and air. Stored in the refrigerator or on the counter. Faster and easier than spreading butter with a knife. Doesn't overheat the butter to melt. Use any real butter stick. Automatic shut off, easy to use and easy to clean. Patent pending nozzle designed to prevent clogging. If I'll scroll down, here the benefits are given. Butter toast and use half as much. Butter popcorn without drenching, making it soggy. Use a natural non-stick cooking spray. No artificial sprays with flammable and artificial ingredients. Cost less. Butter muffins pans, perfect grilled cheese sandwiches, butter vegetables without waste, best turkeys or roasted chicken, perfect garlic bread, butter sticks, butter pasta and pancakes. Talking about the price of this product, we need to click over here on the buy now. So here you can see the price is $129. Now it is sold out item. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or a legit. So first thing is this product is very old product. Talking about the product specification, let me scroll down. You can see here the specification. Weight is approx 1.5 lb. Height is approx 10 in. Width approx 2.4 inch. Powered by a high density rechargeable battery pack. Talking about the social media presence here, you can see Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google, Pinterest, YouTube. All these social media icons are active on this, and you can see about this product over in the Facebook, Instagram as well as this social media platforms. Now talking about the customer reviews. In this site there are no reviews about this product, but in other articles I find out very much customer reviews like in Amazon or another websites also. So basis of what we have discussed now, I possibly consider this product maybe a legit because it is also available in a big e-commerce website like Amazon, and so this project can be a legit. But then also I will suggest you friends, please do your own research before investing your money on this product because this product has received mixed reviews about from different customers. And please do comment your experience over this product. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.